Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming device compatibility and updating iOS so ESIM installs cleanly. Once done, make sure you have the Saily QR or activation code and your Apple ID credentials. This prevents interruptions during activation. Connect to Wi-Fi or enable cellular data so the phone can contact Saily servers. Do not use a VPN because it can block validation. Now open Settings and tap Cellular to start adding a new ESIM. That first step launches You scan the Saily QR or manually enter the activation code under Add Cellular Plan. This registers the ESIM profile on your iPhone. Once installed, assign a recognizable label so you can switch quickly. Then decide which line is primary for voice and which for data. Choose your priorities to avoid billing surprises. If Saily requires an APN or data roaming, enter those values under cellular data options. This ensures proper network routing and prevents failed data connections. You finish by restarting the iPhone so the network registers the new profile. Then explicitly select the Saily line for cellular data and enable LTE if the network demands it. Test by making a call, sending an SMS, and loading a web page to confirm IP connectivity and DNS resolution. If anything fails, remove the ESIM profile and re-add it. That often clears provisioning issues. If problems persist, collect your IMEI and activation code and contact Saily support for server-side troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.